Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna see how to use the concatenation function. Like if you want to merge these two cells, how we can do that by using a concatenation function. So it's easy, just click on equal to, concatenate. Now it says you want to provide the text, means we need to provide the cells number. So it's C4 comma and D4. Just close the bracket and the two cells will get merged. But if you see in here, if you need a space in between them, so it's slight change. After this, just put double inverted commas like this way and just press enter. Now you can see we have a space in between. This is the way if you want to merge two cells, you can use it, and we can just do it this way. Just copy paste it. We just brought we merged the cells of column C and column D. Thank you guys for watching it.